Hey YouTube, welcome back to TechLearn. In this video, I will be showing you how you can find the sum of first n natural numbers using Python. So as you can see, I have already created a file named as sum.py. Inside it, I will be creating a variable called num, and we will be taking the integer input. Then we will be creating a variable sum and assigning it the value 0. Then we will be checking the condition that if num is less than 0, print enter positive number. Else, if you have already entered the positive number, we will be running a while loop. While num is greater than 0, sum plus is equal to num minus is equal to 1, and at the last we will be printing the sum. So print the sum is comma sum. So save the file, open the terminal and write python space sum.py, enter the value. Suppose you need to find the sum of first 100 natural numbers. As you can see, it has calculated the sum. The sum of first 100 natural numbers is 5050. Rerun it. Try to type another value like sum of first 10 natural numbers, and that is 55. So hope you liked this video. For more such videos, stay connected to TechLearn.